Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School. I am Mizan Rahman, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies of National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift, Bonasri, Dhaka. Dear students, welcome to NIVS Home School. I am Mizan Rahman, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies of National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift, Bonasri, Dhaka. Our today's topic is Chapter 2, Lesson 2 and Ibadat. It means Ibadat from page 28 to 31. Okay, dear students, now we will start from chapter 2, page 28 to 31. And firstly, we have to recite in the last position of Salat, in the position of sitting, we have to recite Tashahud. And Tashahud is At-Tahiyyatu lillahi wa salawatu wa tayyibat wa assalamu alayka ayyuhan nabiyyu wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Assalamu alayna wa ala ibadillahi salihin. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh. And then we have to recite Durud secondly. And Durud is Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ala ali Muhammad kama sallaita ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid. Allahumma barik ala Muhammad wa ala ali Muhammad kama barakta ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid. And thirdly, you have to recite Dua Masura. The series of dua written in the Holy Quran and Hadith are called Dua Masura. Dua Masura is to be read after the reading Durud in Salat. And Dua Masura is Allahumma inni zalamtu nafsi zulman kathiran wa la yaghfiru dhunuba illa anta faghfirli maghfiratan min indik warhamni innaka antal ghafurur rahim. And the meaning of Dua Masura is, Oh Allah, I have done much wrong on myself. None has the forgive my sin but you. So forgive me with your forgiveness and do mercy on me. Truly you are oft forgiving, most merciful. Okay, then we have to give salam in the last position of salat. The last important work of salat is to say salam. After reading the Dua Masura, we have to give salam. Firstly, we have to give salam in the right side and then give salam in the left side and say Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. It means peace be upon you and mercy and kindness of Allah to also be upon you. And munajat, after finishing salat by giving salam, then we have to say munajat, to say something to Allah in an applying tone with supplication and manner is called munajat or dua. There are many munajat in the Holy Quran and Hadith. One of famous dua is Rabbana atina fid dunya hasanatan wa fil akhirati hasanatan wa qina adhaban nar. It means, Oh Allah, grant us blessing on the earth and do good on the earth, and grant us blessings in heavens and do good in the heavens, and keep us from the punishment of Jahannam. Surah Al-Baqarah verse 201. Okay, Ahkam of Salat. Now we will start Ahkam of Salat. This Ahkam of Salat is very, very important for the annual examination. So you have to careful about Ahkam of Salat. Before starting Salat, we have to maintain 7 farz, compulsory things. These are called Ahkam of Salat. If we do not maintain those ahkams rightly, our salat will not be accepted. The ahkam of salat are as follows. Number 1, to clean body. Number 2, to clean clothes. Allah the Almighty said in the Holy Quran, وَثِيَابَكَ فَطَّهِّرْ, and your clothes should be pure in the time of salat. And number 3, to clean place for salat. Number 4, ahkam of salat. Number 4, to cover the salat, to cover the satur, the body, with clothes from the navel up to the below of the knee. It is the satur of men, and for the woman from whole body without his face, her face, and foot, and the legs, and his palm of the hands. And number 5 is to face towards Qibla. Number 6, to make niyat or intention of salat. Number 7, to offer salat, to offer salam at the right time, to offer salat at the right time, because Allah the Almighty said in the Holy Quran, inna salata kanat alal mu'minina kitaban mawquta. Barely for the mu'min has the time of salat in time, because if they don't perform the salat in time, salat will not be accepted. It said in the Surah An-Nisa verse 103. Okay, waqt of salat or times of salat. It is the order of Allah to perform salat in the right time. Salat is not acceptable if it is not performed in the right time. Allah the Almighty said in the Holy Quran, inna salata kanat alal mu'minina kitaban mawquta. Verily, the timely salat is for us, for the mu'min. If they are offered their salat without time, their salat is not be accepted. Surah An-Nisa verse 103. And the right times of salat are as follows. We know that there are 5 times of salat: Fajr, Zuhur, Asr, Maghrib, and Isha. Time of Fajr, it starts after the finishing of night, and when the shown the light of morning, they starts the Fajr prayer time, and it's finished when the sunrise. Number 2, Zuhur. Zuhur prayer starts after the noon. Its times is started, and when the any sticks shadow will be 2 times accepted the main shadow of the sticks. This it is the time of Zuhur, and time of Zuhur is finished after the 2 times of the shadow. And Asr prayer. After the finishing of Zuhur prayer, started the Asr prayer, and Asr prayer is still before the sunset. And Maghrib prayer. Maghrib prayer, time of Maghrib is started after the sunset, and it will be continue the sun sticks of going away. And Isha prayer, last one is Isha prayer. Isha prayer is time of Isha prayer starts after the finishing of Maghrib prayer, and it will be continue before the Subh Sadiq, or before the time starting of Fajr prayer. Okay, now we start Arkan of Salat. There are 7 Faraz items in Salat, which are called Arkan of Salat. They are as follows. Dear students, we know that when we start our Salat, then we have to must perform 7 items of things which are called Arkan of Salat. And Arkan of Salat is, first one is to start Salat saying Takbir-e-Tahrima. Takbir-e-Tahrima means in the starting of Salat, firstly we have to say Niyat, then we have to raise your hand and say Allahu Akbar, and stay our hands on the navel. It's called the Takbir-e-Tahrima. And number 2 is performing Salat making Qiyam, such as by standing. If one is unable to stand, then he have to perform his Salat sitting position. If any person don't able to say his Salat in the sitting position, then he will be finished his Salat by laying down on the bed. It is the pleasure, it is the order of Almighty Allah, and it is the Salatul Sikh, Salat of the Sikh. And number 3, to read part of the Holy Quran in the Salat. It is called Qiraat. Dear students, you have to read any surahs which are shortest in the Holy Quran, or say or recite any 3 ayats from the biggest surah of the Holy Quran. It is said, it is called Qiraat of the Salat. It is also the Faraz of Salat. And number 4, to do ruku. Allah the Almighty said in the Holy Quran, or Qaum ar-raki'in, go to the ruku with the ruku goers. So it is one kind of faraz, it is called arkan of salat. Number 5, to do shizda. Allah the Almighty said in the Holy Quran, wasjudu wa'budu rabbakum. Do shizda and do ibadat of your Lord. So it is, do shizda is one kind of faraz of salat, which is from arkan of salat. Number 6, to sit finally. Finally sit means the last sitting position. Last sitting is also one of the faraz of salat. It is the arkan of salat, and its number is 6. And last one is to complete salat by saying salam. Completing salam by saying salam, it is the one kind of faraz or arkan of salat. Okay, dear students, now I will give HW. Today's HW number is 2 from annual term. Write arkan of salat. Dear students, write down these 7 arkan of salat as your homework in your homework copy. Okay, dear students, do your assigned HW in your HW copy and submit your HW copy on every Sunday, and from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. on the office room of the school of National Indian University School, and you have to submit your copy by your parents or any other guardians. Okay, dear students, your HW is very, very important, because your SBA marks, HW city marks, and HW and diary marks will be given as your performance of your HW copy. So be careful about your HW. Okay, dear students, I hope that you have understood today's topic clearly, and keep practicing at home, avoid by your parents, and stay well. See you again very soon, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.